Is there anyone who is not interested to lose weight and look handsome? There cannot be any, since the basic human instinct always opts for the better one. This is the law of the human nature, and the same convention is being practiced in this sphere also. You may also want to lose weight and become more appreciable in the neighborhood. This is indeed very common, but you have to take the help of an appropriate regimen or diet program to lose weight substantially. Why don't start your own research of the most appropriate diet program? If you get engaged in the research, you can come across a lot of diet program on the web world. However, the bulk of them have been termed as inconsequent by the researchers, since they are comprised of derelict, despicable strategies. What's more, according to the researchers, the unreasonable claims of these diet programs are the best specimens of their uselessness. Are you getting dejected and also contused? There is nothing to get confused, since you can certainly start applying the natural form of diet program that hails both diets and exercises. This process is devoid of any side effect, and the success depends entirely on the urge, tenacity and devotion of the performer. If you are not aware of the way of application of this regimen, go through the following tips. You must begin this diet program on a positive note and acknowledging the equal importance of both diets and exercises. From the very first day you have to concentrate on nutrition in the territory of diets. Nutrition is essential in a human life and also plays considerable roles at the time of losing weight. It has the capacity to both strengthen your physical structure and make you content. The contentment is necessary, since it saves you from the temptation of processed foods. You may certainly take it often to quell hunger. You can have the best nutrition if you take fresh fruits and green vegetables daily, and also the lean sources of proteins. Make certain that the rate of consumption of calories is always under check. Though calories are necessary for the development of the human body, the excess consumption of it increases more weight and also hinders the normal functions of metabolism and digestive system. Choose not to consume junk foods, processed foods, beverages along with sweet stuffs and alcohol. These foods and drinks are known for containing excessive amounts of calories. This is one of the most vital tips. You are required to change the wrongful habits of eating. Never imitate others' habits of rating and start to have 2 to 3 heavy meals day by day. This routine disrupts and also gradually ruins the functions of metabolism, digestive system, along with the competence of the body to burn more calories. Replace this with the routine of 4 to 5 small but superior meals, as it develops the metabolism and also enables your body to burn off more calories. Try to practice aerobic exercises like walking and drink 2 liters of water daily.
If you want to know the amazing fat loss code and lose 84 pounds, you should go in the link in the description, because that is gonna help you lose your belly fat a lot faster and easier. So go in the description right now.